Hi, this is an update. This is version 0.99.66, and in this version I've been adding some shortcut keys for some of the mnemonics. I've also updated the animation node and a few other small fixes, hopefully nothing that breaks anything. Just make sure that you're up to date with it. It does address a few issues and improve some things as well. Looking at the animation node, I just want to drag one in. There is a new tutorial round about this as well, but the animation node now has the 9th bit offsets built in, so you need to enable these if you want your character to go beyond 255 horizontally. The way it works is the animation offsets here, the position and vertical position. You can literally use this for moving if you wanted delayed movement, which only updates every time this reaches 8 frames or so. You can tweak that. It's different from the macro move, which is just a consistent movement per cycle. This is JSR called. Again, everything will be in the new tutorial. And yeah, just be sure you're up to date with everything. All the shortcut keys. So if you look at the mnemonic here, this is L. So if you press L, you'll get LDAIM. And if you click L whilst hovering over it, it will go through all those types. Now there's also X and Y. So if you use Shift and L and Shift L over it, or you use left Alt and L, you'll get all the Y based ones. Similarly, if you press S, STA, Shift and S, Shift and S will give you those ones, but S over that, Shift and S over this one, and left Alt and S over that one. It's just a quick way of getting the mnemonics. These are the kind of most common ones, I think. So T goes through all the transfer ones. No operation is just N. I don't do one for break. Ink is Shift and I, and again over that, if you do Shift and I, it goes through all the possible ones, and Shift and D. And I've not done any of these other ones apart from compare, so Shift and C goes through all the compare nodes. Comment, of course, is just C, and Alt and C will give you a code block if you've got the Pro version. That's pretty much it. All I've done there. Let me just show you something else with labels. So I'm just going to press F1 to clear all that. With labels, if you press if you press A for a label and you Alt drag it, Control drag it, it will now auto rename. I'm working on another thing, like if you were to rename this, and if there's any calls to it, it would automatically rename all the calls to it. It would update their names, but it seems to be everywhere, so it'll be a while before I get around to that, but I've got it planned. That's more or less everything new here. Any bugs, let me know in Discord, and I look forward to seeing what you guys make. Thanks for watching. Bye.